Today we study electrostatic potential. Second chapter of the electrostatics. Electrostatic potential. ठीक है. तो generally question asked, prove that electrostatic field is conservative field. Electrostatic field is a conservative field. Generally it is asked that prove that electrostatic field is a conservative field. ठीक है. तो फर्स्ट वी स्टडी व्हाट इज कंजर्वेटिव फील्ड, व्हाट इज कंजर्वेटिव फोर्स. ठीक है. तो फील्ड आर फोर्स इन व्हिच वर्क डन बाय फोर्स does not depend on the path. It depends only on initial and final position. Is known as conservative field or force. Which field is known as conservative field? Which force is known as conservative force? Force or field in which what done by the force or field does not depend on the path followed by the particle. It depends only on initial and final position. Okay. Then such fields or force is known as conservative field or force. Okay. So example of such fields or force are electrostatic field, gravitational field, etc. Okay. Then gravitational field work done by gravitational force does not depend on the path. It depends only on initial and final position. Okay. How? Suppose a stone is raised to height s from the ground. A stone is raised to height s from the ground. Then we can raise a stone by height s by throwing it vertically with certain velocity. When you throw a stone vertically with certain velocity, then it rises and velocity reduces and ultimately at height s become 0. ठीक है. So in this process, what done by gravitational force will be force on mass particle m is gravitational force which act vertically downward mgs. ठीक है. And displacement is upward. Displacement is upward. So what done by this force is mgh. mgh into cos of quantity. Why? Force and displacement both are opposite. Your force is downward and displacement is upward. So either way force and displacement is 180. So work is minus mgh. Cos quantity is minus 1. ठीक है. अच्छा. We can raise this particle along certain plane. Let of length है. तो when we project this along the inclined plane, this particle rises and reach to height h. Inclined plane is of this. Length of the plane let h. Inclination let theta. So when particle is at any point let this, then it experience force mg downward. ठीक है. At this point gravitational force is empty. So when particle go from this to this, then its displacement is L in the direction of force. In the direction of force, in 4 direction, displacement is L. Or in the direction of gravitational force, displacement will be this. This is your displacement in the direction of gravitational force. So here this what in this case will be W is equal to F डॉट L, F डॉट L, है ना। तो FL cos of theta, FL cos of theta, तो F and L both are in the same direction, so this becomes 0. So FL cos 0, FL cos 0, है ना। तो value of F is mg is vertically downward, mg is vertically downward, and force is in the direction, so this is your theta, this is your 90 minus theta, so theta. So this become mg cos theta, ठीक है, and this become mg sin theta, mg sin theta, है ना, ठीक है। तो mg sin theta is equal and opposite to f. So value of f is minus mg sin theta, value of f is minus mg sin theta. Therefore you can say that your mass particle rises from this point to this point under negative mg sin theta through displacement A. So we can write here F into F cos theta is 1. The value of F is minus mg, because force mg sin theta is downward and particle rises in upward. Force is downward and particle rises upward. So angle between force and displacement are opposite. So these two vectors can be equated with negative sign. So F is equal to mg minus mg sin of theta into L. This is 1. So this becomes m minus m और L sin theta, m minus mg L sin theta, L sin theta from triangle, from this triangle, this is your h, this is your h, and this is your L, this is your theta. The h upon L, h upon L is equal to sin theta, h upon L is equal to sin theta. So h is equal to L sin theta. So we can replace L sin theta by h. We can replace L sin theta by h. So W is equal to minus mg h, minus mg minus mg h. Okay. So that's what we observe from this calculation, that what is same. Right particle is projected along shortest path, that is vertical upward, or along that path, that is in every direction, that is similarly we can choose any path. We can reach up to radius through stairs like this. So later height of one step of staircase and h step, height of h step of stair is h. Okay. So you can reach to roof of radius through this step. So when you go from first to ground step to first, then second, then third, then you reach the roof of the building, floor of roof of the building after this. So in this process, force is mg as vertical downward. So what done in this become mg, which is downward, into. So you have covered x step. So step of one height is x, or air bag, let there are n step, then height of n step will be ns. Ns. This is the vector. This is the vector. But this vector is vertically upward, and this vector is vertically downward. Mg is vertically downward, and you are going in upward direction. So these two vectors can be equated. Ns can be equated with negative ns. So write here negative ns. Mg and ns are opposite, so write it negative. So this becomes negative mg n mg ns. mg ns. Ns is x. When we add all x, then we get x. So this is the x. So from this path is different. This is your longest path. But work is same. Work is same for this path, which is shortest. This path, which is smaller than this, but greater than this and smaller than this. This is the longest path. From this calculation, we observe that what is same for our path. When your particle rises, in the shortest path or longest path. Or any path between from their ideas. So thus gravitational force, what is by gravitational force? Done on different path. From this calculation, it is clear that what is by force done on the path followed by the path. It can go along shortest path or longest path or any other path. Okay. So that's your gravitational force or gravitational field is conservative. Your gravitational field or electrostatic fields is conservative. Okay. So central fields are generally conservative fields. Central fields are conservative fields. Okay. So this is the example of gravitational fields. Now we prove that what done by electrostatic force or electrostatic fields that are dependent on the path. It depends only on initial and final position. It depends only on initial and final position. So electrostatic fields is a conservative field like gravitational field. So now we prove that electrostatic field or electrostatic force is conservative field or conservative force. So this is your first question of electrostatics, which is generally asked. So now we prove that